Well, hello everyone and welcome to my channel, and thank you Kathleen for this collaboration. I just want to say, folks, that if you've ever had the privilege of meeting Kathleen, you have met a friend for life. I met her back a few months ago at Louise McKay's house, and we had an awesome time painting together, and I hated that it didn't last as long as it could have. And we have stayed in touch ever since then, and me and Kathleen have been planning this collaboration for a few months now. We've just gotten around to it, but I hope you guys like what I'm going to be painting for you. I was given some do's. Use neutral colors, at least have 2 different types of textures, and it had to be a landscape. So with that being said, I'm going to get you down and we're going to get started. Kathleen, this was a doozy, but I think I managed to pull it off. You guys let me know in the comments. And again, thanks Kathleen, I appreciate it. Love you bunches. Okay guys, I am going to apply some texture to this 10 by 20 Artist Loft Gallery Wrap canvas. I'm just using modeling paste here. I'm going to do the painting landscape this way. And I'm going to apply an embellishment at the end. So I'm just kind of trying to figure out what I'm doing here. And I'm just going to use a few different textures. And some texturing you can brush on really light, and some you can leave, a little higher. It's just really what you want to do, and you can pretty much do anything you want with it. I've got this little textured thing here that I'm going to make a few little textures because I think I'm going to want to put a tree somewhere in here. So I'm just going to kind of make some different little textures here. And this is basically just a little... My husband had bought me a keychain. It was a chicken nugget or a chicken leg or something, and I took the keychain part off. So it was like a, funny gift of sorts. So, but I will use anything, that's for sure. I really like that. I like that a lot. And I think I'm gonna maybe stick a catalyst wedge texture up here, just because, why not? Works. I'm going to let that dry, and then we will do the landscape part when I return, so bear with me guys. Okay everyone, we are ready to lay down the base, and my husband Greg is here.
Hi everyone.
He is here, and he's going to take some different shots of this so that we can get some really cool shots of this painting, since I've never done this before on camera. So here we go. It's going to be a really pretty base color. Super shiny. I'm just going to tilt this back until it's like very, very thin, because we have the texture underneath. We want some of it to come through. Okay, so I'm going to do a little cup and a little bit of this satin enamel on the bottom. Some of this brown stuff, pie, some of the pewter. Oh, missed it. A little bit of this, not much. More of this. All right. Cool cup. All right, we're gonna just do it like that. And I'm going to go across. Pretty cool right there. Okay guys, I think I got enough paint off, hopefully, and I will come back when it's dry and we will finish it. So stay tuned. I'm back and it looks like this dried perfectly. Oh, it's so pretty. There's texture. It didn't move. I'm going to place the stencil on here and we're just going to tape this up. I have just had to, I just waded through about 8 inches of snow to get to my studio, and it is cold outside. I didn't want to come over here and do this, but need to get it done and get it completed so that I can make my deadline. I've never used a stencil on a painting before, so this is a first for me. I have no idea what I'm doing. I just know that I need to make sure it doesn't move. And I want to kind of have this textured as well. So I think I'm going to take some of the paint I had left over and mix it with some impasto paste that I have. All right, make this work. All right, let's just mix some of this. So we can change the color of this stuff. All right. Kind of hold it like this when I go over the bottom of this, because all right, I have that covered. This is probably going to turn out crappy, but we'll fix it if it's bad. So let's take this tape off. Very slowly. This would be my texture number 2. And then this, I'm just going to pull over and we're going to peel off the top. So let's see if we can't get this off. Oh no. That works. That works. We can deal with that. Oh my goodness, yeah, we can deal with that. Yeah, that's gonna look really good. Got a couple of little spots, but I'll get my toothpick and kind of clean it up a little bit, I think. Like right here. But mostly, for the most part, it looks all right. So we'll let that dry, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna let this dry up, and we will paint on it, and maybe throw a couple more things in here. I don't know if I'm done yet, but we'll see. Stay tuned. Okay, everyone, I am back, and this turned out really good. I'm going to attach some, they're like little rocks, little pebbles, different colors. I bought a box of stones at a thrift shop local to me, and this was inside it. And I had it and thought, well, I'll use them one day, and I'm going to use them today. And I'm going to attach them onto this with some spray Mod Podge. Never used it before, but I'm going to paint this first. So I'm going to get a brush and do that right fast. So, okay, I'm going to use this Pearl Deep Brown Arteza. I'm gonna put some right here on my table. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So now I'm going to take these pebbles and I'm going to wet this. Oh, this is super, super pretty. I gotta love it. Oh, it's pretty. Simple, but elegant. Super pretty. One of my most favorite pieces that I think I've ever made. Just had to get pushed a little bit by Cathleen. Cathleen, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Appreciate your knowledge and your wisdom, and thank you for collaborating with me and just being an awesome friend. Certainly appreciate everything you've done for me, and I look forward to seeing you in May. So thank you guys so much. Let me know what you think in the comments, and here is the finished result.